Hello guys, I am Pranto Chakraborty and welcome to Technical Noyanabo. Guys, actually Noyanabo Biswas, the owner of this channel, he is my friend and he told me to make this video because he is not here today. And special thanks to Indrajit Bishwas, the owner of IGB Tube. He is the cameraman just behind. Guys, actually Noyanabo told me to make this video because today I am talking about the Moto E4 Plus, and I have been using this phone for about 5 months, and he told me to give my true opinion how satisfied I am. So guys, I'm gonna start, but before I get started my video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to tell us anything or ask us anything or give us any advices, please comment below. So let's get started. Guys, I have been using the Moto E4 Plus for about 5 months, and now I'm gonna say something about this one. First of all, I should tell you about this phone. You guys can see its display is 5.5 inch. It's quite big. It has front camera 5 megapixel with LED flash, front flash, and here is the fingerprint sensor. Here is the USB cable and the microphone, and here is the speaker. Here is the power button, and here is the volume up and volume down key, and here is the headphone jack, and here is nothing. On the rear side you have 13 megapixel camera with LED flash, and the phone is quite heavy. It's 198 gram. So, and it's I should tell its processor, it's 1.3 gigahertz. And guys, now I'm gonna talk about these phones, about its pros and cons. Guys, Moto E4 Plus has so many good sides, like Moto E4 Plus, it gives you the Dolby Atmos sound enhancement with Dolby Atmos, and so it's you can enjoy much better quality of music. Next is about its battery. Guys, its battery is 5000 mAh. I have never seen my phone under 60% phone charge till today. I've been using for 5 months. Its battery quality, it's too good, and it has its non-removable battery. I should show you. You can see the battery is quite big and it's non-removable. And next I should say Moto E4 Plus, it gives you the latest Android version. It's Nougat 7.1.1, and then it also can be upgraded by the Google. And next I should say the screen is protected by its Gorilla Glass. You can see it's 5.5 inch, it's HD display, and the phone is splash proof, of course. And the camera, guys, the camera is 13 megapixel and the front camera is 5 megapixel. With the 13 megapixel and front 5 megapixel camera, the camera quality is good. It's very good, guys. And then I should say about the phone. You can see here are the two dedicated SIM slots. Here is the SIM 2, here is the SIM 1, and here with its dedicated micro SD card. It does not give you the hybrid SIM slot. And next I should say something about its cons. Guys, Moto E4 Plus, it does not give you full HD video recording. First of all, the camera quality, yeah, it's good, but it shows some problems when you're focusing something. You're trying to capture something, you're trying to capture any moment, but that focusing is quite irritating. And in the low light, it's a selfie camera. Whenever you are I'm making any video calls, that video calls, it's not bright. That's a problem. And guys, Moto E4 Plus, it's quite heavier. I told you before, it's 198 gram. it's quite heavy, than it's heavier than many other phones. And Moto E4 Plus gives you only three sensors. Here is the fingerprint sensor and the light sensor and the proximity. Guys, when I bought this phone, it was 10,000 rupees. At that time, in 10,000 rupees, you can get any other phones with many other features. Guys, now let's come to the point, and let me tell you about my true opinion, how satisfied I am. Guys, actually, I'm a student, so I don't need to take any photos like DSLR photos with captured with the DSLR camera, or high quality video. So I just needed this phone with my own work, whatever I wanted, whatever I needed. I just needed to use the internet and music for relaxation or games. Games. I forgot to tell you about this. Moto E4 Plus, it's not good for here to play heavy games. You know, its processor is 1.3. In multitasking, sometimes it just a little bit problem, but truly till today I haven't seen any problems in 5 months. And I haven't seen this phone. Yeah, it caused problems, but that's not that much. It is okay. I am satisfied with it. So guys, if you ask me, if you are going to buy Moto E4 Plus, what should I say? I should say, of course you can buy this phone if your expectation is not that much. So Moto E4 Plus is good for us, for those people whose expectation is not that much. So guys, that's it today. Myself, Pranto Chakraborty again, and I am begging you, please forgive me, because this is my first video. I haven't I haven't make any video before. If I say anything wrong or did any mistake, please forgive me, and please keep supporting us, and please like our videos, share, and don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to click the bell icon if you to get notifications for the new videos. And special thanks to Indrajit Bishwash, the owner of IJB Tube. He helped me to capture the moment. He is just behind the camera. So that's it today. So guys, stay with us, keep supporting us, stay tuned, be happy. Thank you.